Hi, welcome to a short video on OpenLM. So now we'll talk about actual usage. The actual usage extension allows the admin to know the behavior of their users, meaning that the end users might pull a license, might check out a license, but are they using it? Maybe they're doing something else while the license is checked out. That means that the license is not available for anyone else but themselves, and they are not using it. So OpenLM allows the administrator to know who is idling, and with the help of Active Agent extension, it allows them to release the session. But now we'll be talking about the actual usage, only the idle time collection. So basically, in order to activate that extension, you'll need to have, of course, the OpenLM broker on the license servers, and you'll need the OpenLM agent on the workstations. So all of them transmit information to the OpenLM server, also called the OpenLM core, and the data is being viewed using any device, of course, using the browser. So what do you need to do in order to configure the actual usage? So there are two places to configure actual usage. If we open up the OpenLM user interface, click Start, Administration, then first we'll go to Process Features, and there is also Unmanaged Processes. Now, Unmanaged Processes, these are processes that do not use a floating license, and Process Features, it means that it does use a floating license. So let's click on Process Features, and let's select one of the features, let's say ugraph. If you want, you can add one, but let's just double click on it or click Edit. Then in order to enable idle time monitoring, just click Track Process Idle Time Period. Now, if you added a new one, you'll need to add a process name, description, vendor name, and just have that ticked. This is for the process features. Now, the unmanaged processes, let's open up one feature I have here. Again, you get the same checkbox. You'll need to check this so it will track idle time. Now, the idle time itself, you will be able to see in the currently consumed licenses screen. Once a session is opened and the agent starts tracking its idle time, then you will be able to see the idle time in the currently consumed licenses screen. So it will be right here under Recent App Idle Time. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.